Dear viewers, today we'll learn from exercise 8.1, question number 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal cos square A minus sin square A or not. Question number 8, solution. Given 3 cot A is equal 4. This implies cot A is equal 4 by 3. This implies then we have to draw a right triangle. Here see, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Then cot A. Cot A means what? Base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. B by P. This is equal 4 by 3. This is K. Say then we have got B is equal 4K. 4K. Then P is equal 3K. Now we have got P is how much? 3K. B is how much? 4K. Then we have to find the value of H. Now we have to use the theorem of Pythagoras. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, here H square is equal P square plus B square. This implies H square is equal, what is the value of P? 3K whole square. What is the value of B? 4K whole square. This implies H square is equal 3K whole square, 9K square, plus 4K whole square, 16K square. This implies H square is equal 25K square. This implies H is equal root over 25K square. The root of 25K square is 5K. Then we have found the value of H is 5K. Now, what was the question? Here, in left hand side, we can take 1 minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A. Here, put the value of tan A. 1 minus tan A means what? Tan A. Here, see, tan A means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base whole square. 1 plus perpendicular by base. Now put the value of P and B. 1 minus the value of P is 3K. Value of B is 4K. Okay. Whole square. 1 plus 3K 4K whole square. 1 minus 3K whole square means 9K whole square. 4K whole square means 16K whole square. 16K square. 1 plus here 3K whole square means 9K square. Here 4K whole square means 16K square. Okay. Then the next 16K square. Here take LCM. 16K square. Multiply this 16K square into 1. 16K square minus 9K square. This is same. Here also same. 16K square is LCM. multiply this 16k square into 1 means 16k square plus this is plus here 9k square. Here we can cut out this 16k square and 16k square. Then we'll get here 16k square minus 9k square means here 7k square. 16k square plus 9k square means 25k square. Cut out this. Cancel out this. We have found 7 by 25. Here again from right hand side cos square a minus sin square a. Now cos a means what? Cos a means base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse whole square. Sin a means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. P by h whole square. Put the value of b and h. B means 4k. H means here 5k whole square minus P means what? 3k. H means what? 5k whole square. Okay. Then cancel out this. Then 4 square means what? 16. 5 square means what? 25. Here also 3 square means what? 9. 5 square means what? 25. Now take LCM. 25 is same 25. Here 16 minus 9. Its subtraction is what? 7. 25. Then we have found here left hand side is also 7 by 25. Right hand side is also 7 by 25. That's why left hand side is equal right hand side. This is the result.